So if you go to space now. Okay. So now let's say 80. Set. We'll just move it. Oh, okay. It's okay. So in space, you can see that. Let me just move around. So okay, we're aligned. The horizon. And if we just change the camera, okay. So in space, it's the same thing. You can take things, you can drop things. In space, of course, if you drop things, they will just continue moving under. So sorry for the interruption. I don't have an idea where my part is now. No? Okay, doesn't matter. So the funny thing in space is that if you take a rack, the other things are practically going to freeze in place like this. You see? Until, of course, you hit them. But it's really funny to see them just float there. And if you actually speed up, you can see them change position according to because of the orbital thing. I don't know how it's called. So you will see them slowly separate, but you can do this and make a mess in space. So now I can return these back to their places. Whoop. Or maybe not. Whoops. Yeah, what's really cool about the new version of Kerbal Attachment System is that when you pick up things, the mass from the things is actually added to your entire Kerbal. So even if you're carrying the heavy stuff, you won't cheat the physics. You're going to actually have to use more RCS fuel to overcome the inertia. And oh no, it's getting darker. Okay, let's just fix this and let's move on to something else. One more thing I want to show you are the third types of containers, which are not really connected to FLEXracks or mixed experiments, but are still quite portable and useful. I primarily intended them to be used for live support. So let's go back to Space Center. And now we're going to make some. So the last thing I wanted to show you are something that I used to call Velcro baglets, but I call them now SuperStraps because they come in different packages. So I have I have bags, and I will have metal canisters, but I also have bottles like this of oxygen, which you can see now, and they're primarily intended for crew support because they're small enough to be carried on the back efficiently. So this is just a generic object. I call it toolbox because tool bag because I sort of imagined a Kerbal picking up tools from like a hammer to destroy parts, or or um, or a screwdriver to fix FLEXracks to other surfaces. Um, so you have these bags. You have water bags, which I actually based those bags on. The real water bags look similar to these ones, also a similar dimension. And I also included food bag. Yeah, but I'm not going to use this model anymore. I'm going to switch to some more realistic food containers like used on the ISS. And that's practically it. Yeah, I can just demonstrate if you want. So if I just take out someone, you can see that I can grab, use it as a rucksack practically. And now I don't have a yeah. There's nothing. Actually, there is oxygen, but I'm not using in this KSP. I'm not using life support mod. But if you're using life support mod, you can basically left click on between parts, just as if doing a normal fuel transfer, and you can practically transfer oxygen, then just take food, and transfer food to your Kerbal or water. So that's a pretty neat thing to have, I think, in extended missions. I will also make them contain just 5 liters, because sort of 1 liter per day. And yeah, another nice thing with the new Kerbal attachment system is that when you board the pod, now you actually drop uh, the whatever is on your bag. In the previous versions, this bag would just disappear. It wouldn't come inside. It would just disappear. So that's a neat bug fix. And well, that's practically it. I can show you some optimizations, not optimizations, but I mean some tests with a lot of parts. But yeah, enjoy 0.23 version, and hope you will see FLEXrack soon, in, let's say, less than a week. So goodbye.